B-Sizzle back on the beat. We're still chillin' here with Econ, but now we're talking about supply, demand, so bring it on. To begin, we're gonna be looking at the difference between the change in demand or supply and the change of quantity demanded or supply. To begin, we're gonna start with the twins, supply and demand. For supply or demand to change, there needs to be a shift. One of the 5 demand shifters, 4 supply shifters, will cause the demand curve to fall or lift. In other words, the whole curve shifts. Whether it's increase to the right or decrease to the left, the whole curve shifts. Now, when a quantity demanded or supplied changes, the line doesn't shift. The point simply moves and grooves down or up the line, which helps to disprove the myth that quantity demanded or supplied moves the respective line. Now, what happens if supply and demand shift simultaneously? What will happen to price and quantity? When both supply and demand shift simultaneously, the market is reacting spontaneously. When both curves shift, either price or quantity will cease to exist, in reality becoming indeterminate. So now that you know about supply and demand, you can ace that test with a determined stand and tackle that double shift FRQ problem with a simple glance, because you know either price or quantity will have a chance to be indeterminate.